Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this video, we'll be talking about an electric vehicle which is Li Auto. It's a Chinese auto vehicle maker, ticker symbol LI, and I will talk about recent price action, the breakout pattern, why the stock is rising, some recent news, also some option play opportunities so that we can all gain quick money. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post 1 to 2 videos daily, so if you want to get some videos which are about to break out soon, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, let's look at the NIO daily chart. I made the video when there was a red candle, then the black line was the daily candle, it was about to break out, and the other black line here, that was the bigger one. So we had back to back two green days, so it went from 56 to $62, and on a daily smaller daily pattern as well as on a bigger one. In both cases, NIO actually went up. It moved like more than $62, and I think it will easily go to 64, 65, even $67. I will make another video on NIO, but this video is about Li Auto. But just want to show you that NIO had two back-to-back massive days. I also want to show you XPEV. They also had like 2 days, and these stock might be breaking again. Still, I'm not very convinced, so I'm not gonna talk about this one. And finally, I want to show you three Chinese auto ones, so you can see on a, let's move it to 5-day daily. Yeah, so the red one is NIO, and the bottom two ones are Li and XPEV. So you can see like, so all of them were moving in the same pattern, even though what was the percentage, but the pattern was good. Then what happened, the day before NIO went up. On the other hand, this one was not going that high, but today like all three was going high. And as I mentioned previously, these three Chinese auto stock, like EV stock, they always move together. So whenever NIO moves, Li moves and XPEV moves. Also look at the daily chart today. It's a 1 minute candle for today. You can see like around 2:30 Li stock, it started running. It went from $30 to 31.5, came down, then went up to 32.5, came down, but end of the day it is up 5%. Even after hour, I think we are up little bit. And why? There was a news that came today that Li Auto announces January 2000. Sorry, this is the news. Li Auto to report fourth quarter and full year 2020 financial results on February 25th. Keep that in mind. February 25th is not very far. That is a important news that came, I think, 3 a.m. today. And I also want to look back with their January 2021 delivery update, and you can easily see that the company delivered 5300 Li 1 in January 2021, which represents a 355% year-over-year increase, resulting in cumulative deliveries of less 39,000 vehicles. So expecting some good news and some run up to February 25th at least, and with some after that it can go even higher. So look at the chart on a daily level. So you can see the breakout is about to happen, and today it broke out. Like it went up to 32.5, came down. If you look at daily RSI, it was neutral, then today it's pointing upward. Also look at the blue line here, it's about to curve and it might go up. So it gives me a good signal that the stock might go up. Also look at the bigger picture. The stock was at one point, it was trading around $47, $48, and also you can see recently the stock went up to $37, right? $37, $38. So I think before February 25th, the stock is currently around $32, but it can go up to at least $37. Then it might come back. If not 37, maybe around $34, $35, maybe around this area, $35. So moving from 32 to 35 or 37, and who knows, it can go even higher. So using this information, how can we get some benefit? Share is always good. You can ride with share, and also look at the support. Like if it comes down, it can come back to like $30. This is the support. I think the stock will not go below that particular line, especially in February 26 they will have a good news, right? So if it comes down here tomorrow around $30 range, grab some share, otherwise just ride the wave. What about the option? So what I did today, because the news they said on February 25th or 26th, what was the date? February 25th. So I choose February 26th option, and I choose the strike price of $32, and I paid a premium of 262, but I think I paid less. So that's the plan. Like up to 26 I will ride the wave. Most probably I will go higher. I will go at least 35 $36. If not, then I might get out, but again it's entirely up to you. Also, I want to show you another stock, which is Excel Fleet. On a daily candle you can also see how the chart is forming a triangle here. Previously, like it was about to break out, I entered, but then came down again. We can see the stock today, it went up to like 21.5, then came down. So watch the stock for tomorrow. If you see like it opens higher and it goes higher, then the stock might go up to, can go up to $24 or 26, or who knows, even more. But this is another EV stock. You can keep that in your mind. Anyway, this video is about Li Auto. If you think the information is useful, do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I need more subscribers. Help me to gain that 1000 magic figure. Anyway, thank you very much. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Peace.